Welcome back. In part 2, we explored the investment opportunities inherent in the food revolution driven by the MAHA movement. Today, we'll focus on the second core pillar of this transformation, a more efficient, pragmatic, and tech-friendly FDA, and how it will pave the way for innovators in the life sciences sector. A leaner, faster FDA means more clinical trials and faster access to patients for breakthrough therapies. This will fundamentally change the investment landscape in the biotech industry. We can also categorize investment opportunities in this sector into two categories: technology-enabled platforms, commonly known as shovel sellers, that provide the industry with tools to accelerate R&D, and innovative biotech companies, high-risk gold diggers, that possess breakthrough therapies. Let's first discuss technology-enabled platforms, also known as shovel sellers. They are the best way to participate in the biotech revolution while maintaining relatively manageable risk. The first company is Veeva Systems, ticker VEEV, the cloud operating system for life sciences. Veeva is a leading global cloud computing software provider focused on the life sciences industry. It offers a comprehensive suite of solutions covering the entire drug lifecycle, from clinical trial management, Veeva Vault, to customer relationship management, Veeva CRM. Veeva's core competitiveness lies in its deep industry focus and the resulting nearly irreplaceable ecosystem. As the FDA, driven by the MAHA movement, mandates more efficient, transparent, and data-driven clinical trials, Veeva's platform is a key tool for achieving this goal. A leaner and faster FDA means more clinical trials, which translates directly into greater demand for Veeva's software. Veeva has an exceptional business model, with revenue primarily derived from high-margin subscription services. In the second quarter of 2025, the company's revenue grew 16.7% year-over-year to $789.1 million, and adjusted earnings per share were $1.99, both exceeding market expectations. The company has maintained steady growth and strong profitability over the long term. As a top SaaS software-as-a-service company, its valuation remains high. The risk is that its growth rate may slow as market penetration increases. However, given its unparalleled leadership in the life sciences sector, its margin of safety is very high, making it a suitable ballast company for a core position in a technology portfolio. Second company, Schrödinger, stock code SDGR, AI-powered drug discovery engine. Schrödinger is a leading computational science company. Its core is a physics-based software platform deeply integrated with AI, designed to accelerate the discovery of new drugs and materials at the molecular level. Its core technology predicts molecular properties with exceptional accuracy, enabling drug developers to screen and design optimal drug candidates in silico prior to costly laboratory synthesis and testing. Under the MAHA initiative, the FDA has adopted an open and encouraging attitude towards the use of AI in drug development, which will significantly boost market adoption of platforms like Schrödinger's. It has the potential to reduce the time it takes for drugs to enter clinical trials from the traditional 5 to 6 years to 2 to 3 years. The company employs a dual business model, licensing its software platform to large pharmaceutical and biotech companies and using it to develop its own internal drug pipeline. Its software business provides stable recurring revenue, while its drug discovery business offers significant return potential. In the second quarter of 2025, revenue grew 16% to $54.8 million, exceeding expectations. The company is still in its investment phase and has yet to achieve profitability. The company's valuation is primarily based on the disruptive potential of its technology and the future market potential. Risk is very high, as drug discovery is inherently uncertain. However, its robust technology platform and partnerships with several pharmaceutical giants provide a low to medium margin of safety. This is a satellite position suitable for investors with a high risk tolerance who are focused on long-term disruptive innovation. Let's look at innovative biotech companies, the gold diggers. Investing in these companies is extremely risky and requires specialized knowledge and a deep understanding of the risks. The following is just one example that aligns with the MAHA theme. The first company, CRISPR Therapeutics, ticker CRSP, is a pioneer in gene editing. CRISPR Therapeutics is a leader in developing innovative therapies using the revolutionary CRISPR/Cas9 gene editing technology. This technology has the potential to fundamentally fix disease-causing genetic defects. Its core competitiveness lies in its leading gene editing platform and related intellectual property. Under the MAHA movement, an FDA that is more embracing of breakthrough technologies and has a faster approval process is a significant boon for companies like CRISPR at the forefront of science. The FDA has approved a gene therapy for sickle cell disease developed with a partner, marking the beginning of a new era of treatment. As a clinical-stage biotech company, its revenue primarily comes from collaborations and milestone payments. It has yet to achieve stable product sales and continues to incur significant R&D investments and losses. In the second quarter of 2025, the company reported a loss per share of $1.29, but this was better than the market's expectation of a loss of $1.47. The company's valuation is based entirely on expectations for the potential of its technology platform and future drug pipeline. The risks are extremely high. Any clinical trial failure or setback could cause significant stock price fluctuations. The margin of safety is very low. This investment is only suitable for investors with ample capital, a deep understanding of the biotech sector, and the highest risk appetite, who are willing to invest a small portion of their capital to achieve returns that will change medical history. Friends, the MAHA wave reveals a clear future, a new era of health that prioritizes prevention, natural practices, and technology. In this profound transformation, we can build a portfolio with balanced risk and reward. Use Sprouts, SFM, Viva Systems, VEEV, and Sentient, SXT, as the cornerstones of your portfolio. They are leaders with the most mature business models and the highest margins of safety in clean food retail, life sciences software, and natural ingredients, respectively. Add some Vital Farms, VITL, and Schrödinger, SDGR, as growth engines. These companies possess strong brand or technological advantages in their niches and are experiencing rapid growth, potentially delivering higher returns, but also increasing risk. It's worth making some speculative bets. Investors with the highest risk appetite might consider allocating a small portion of their funds to companies like CRISPR Therapeutics, CRSP, and Fermental Algae, to capitalize on their disruptive potential in gene editing and microalgae biotechnology. This health revolution has only just begun. Investors who foresee the opportunities and invest in these trend-setting companies will not only safeguard their health but also potentially achieve significant wealth growth. The above content is solely personal opinion and does not constitute investment advice. Thank you for your company.